Hi everyone, this is Aras from English for Everyone, and today this video is about smell a rat. Smell a rat. That is a kind of expression, okay, and we add a subject over here, like what? Like I. I smell a rat. We smell a rat. He smells a rat, or another. And as you notice, this is the verb because I smell, he smells, or if it's past tense, smelled, or other things. So this is the verb, so we have to be careful with the tense. If it is about past, then we change the verb as well, or future, whatever. So that is it. But what does it mean? Well, this is said when something is suspicious. Something is not right. We feel that something fishy is going on. Something, let me say fishy, in something wrong, something suspicious. Maybe some people are doing something wrong and they are considering that they are hiding that thing, and we understand that. And we get suspicious. We think of what is going. They say they are doing this, but we feel something else is going on. Okay? So you get suspicious. You think that this is not the reality. Something else is going on. There is another face to this. So in these cases, you say, I smell a rat. Okay, I doubt the fact. Okay, I say, I smell a rat. Means I think this is not right, whatever is said. Or something is going on. It is not always this thing that they say something and you doubt it. No, sometimes it's not said, it's something's going on, and you observing that thing without being said to you, just observing that, you feel there is something wrong with this story, thing that is going on. Let's look at examples, it will be more clear. Okay, A says, how come the front door is open? Okay, you go out and then when you come back, you see, oh, the front door is open. You feel something is going on, something wrong, something, you doubt what is going on. Okay, then B over here says, I smell a rat. I smell a rat. I'm sure I locked the door when I left home. So I'm sure, I have no doubt I locked the door. But now the door is open, so I am suspicious. So to show that, I say, I smell a rat. Okay, I express this in this way. I smell a rat means I am suspicious. There is something going on, something wrong, especially going on. Okay. When he died, investigators were called in and soon smelled a rat. Smell a rat, again, over here, change the past because we are talking about something in the past when he died, sometime before now, I don't know when, but some time ago. At that time, investigators were called in and soon smelled a rat. So soon they felt something wrong is going on. Something is not right. Something is fishy. Okay? So to say that, to express it, that's about the doubt about the death. Okay, that shouldn't have been a natural death. There is something wrong. Maybe the person is killed or something like this. Then to say that, we're not sure, but we feel that. To express that feeling, we say, they smelled a rat. Something was not right. According to the observations and the things that has been around, maybe, they smelled a rat. They felt there is something wrong going on. The third one is, I don't think this was an accident. I smell a rat. Bob has something to do with this. Okay, so something has happened and it looks like it's an accident, but I don't think that way. I don't think this was an accident. I smell a rat. I doubt that. Instead of saying I doubt it, I say I smell a rat. So I smell a rat means I doubt it in this case. Bob had something to do with this. I think this hasn't been an accident and Bob has done that thing. So that's not an accident, or maybe that's an incident or whatever. So I doubt it, and to show that doubt, I say I smell a rat. So it's not always I, like these two. As you can see over here, we were talking about investigators, and they have smelled a rat. So that is also possible. So it is not always about I. It can be we smell a rat, they smell a rat, or something like this. Okay, so smell a rat, we doubt something, we're suspicious, and we feel that something wrong is going on. I hope this has been something new to you, you've learned something from this, and have enjoyed the time that you spent watching this video. And hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.